Today I am reviewing the ASUS ROG Strix G16 2025 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 2025 is a powerhouse designed for serious gamers and creators who demand top-tier performance in a portable package. At the heart of this laptop is the Intel Core i7-14650HX processor, paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU, which is based on the advanced NVIDIA Blackwell architecture. This combination delivers lightning-fast processing and stunning graphical performance, allowing you to run AAA games, creative software, and multitasking workloads seamlessly. With DLSS 4 and Max-Q technologies, your games not only look incredible, but also maintain smooth, high frame rate gameplay, providing a truly immersive experience without compromise. Multitasking is a breeze thanks to the 16 gigabytes of DDR5-5600 MHz memory, which ensures your system remains responsive even under heavy workloads. Storage is equally impressive, with a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD giving you plenty of room for your game library, creative projects, and multimedia files. The storage is fast, allowing for quick boot times, fast game load-ins, and near-instant access to your files, which is perfect for those who need productivity on the go, as well as gaming performance. Visuals on the ROG Strix G16 are a treat. The 16-inch FHD plus 1610 display offers a 165Hz refresh rate and a 3 milliseconds response time, ensuring every frame is smooth and fluid. The 16:10 aspect ratio gives you more vertical screen space, making gaming, content creation, and even multitasking much more comfortable. ASUS has also incorporated a new ACR film that enhances contrast and reduces glare, which makes this display suitable for long gaming sessions, streaming, and even professional work where color accuracy and clarity are essential. Keeping such a powerful machine cool and efficient is critical, and the ROG Intelligent Cooling system does exactly that. With a combination of a vapor chamber, tri-fan cooling, and Conductonaut Extreme liquid metal applied to the chipset, the laptop manages heat expertly. This means that even under intense gaming or demanding creative workloads, your laptop stays quiet, cool, and responsive, allowing for uninterrupted focus and extended play without throttling performance. In addition to raw power and performance, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 also shines in aesthetics and usability. It features a full surround 360 degrees RGB light bar that can be synchronized with your keyboard and ROG peripherals, letting you create a personalized gaming setup. When you need a more professional look, stealth mode turns off all lighting, so your laptop fits seamlessly into work or school environments. Coupled with Wi-Fi 7 connectivity and Windows 11 Home, this laptop is ready to handle modern online gaming, streaming, and remote work demands efficiently. Overall, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 2025 is a compelling choice for anyone seeking a gaming laptop that balances raw performance, advanced cooling, immersive visuals, and customizable aesthetics. It's not just a laptop. It's a complete high-performance ecosystem for gaming, creativity, and productivity, ensuring that whatever you throw at it, it delivers consistently and efficiently. Whether you're competing in fast-paced esports, rendering videos, or managing multiple tasks at once, the Strix G16 rises to the challenge, making it a reliable and future-proof companion for years to come.